Hey boys and girls, this is Ted. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I know I've been gone for a while, but things have been busy, been crazy busy, been doing stuff. Let me get my sheet here. Haven't been doing much riding. It's been extremely hot here, and I know a lot of you might say, well, so what? It's hot everywhere, and people are riding. I do see people out riding. It's just been way too hot, and you know, my bikes are 23 years old, so I just don't really feel like getting them out there. And because I do gear up, it can get pretty miserable around here, and well, I'm just making excuses, but I just don't want to ride when it's super hot like this. Anyway, but yeah, things have been busy. I did have the Sportster out last week. I did do a ride last week, and I did shoot some video. And I came to the conclusion that I didn't have anything to say, so I didn't publish it. I talked about some things, but you know, why? I'm not going to put it out if it's not worth watching. You know, I didn't have anything to say, really much, so I didn't bother. But we've been busy. I've been doing stuff. I came out here with the intention of using my my heat thing and show you how hot it's been, but the sun went away, and well, the ground temperature is only right now 100. Oh, it's 100 degrees right now. That's what the surface of the driveway is. It was 120 earlier. So yeah, don't want to ride when it's that hot. I can only imagine black asphalt, how much hotter that is. Additionally, yes, I got a little bruise here on my head, because I was cleaning out the little box trailer, and I didn't duck. So I slammed into the trailer, hurt my head pretty bad. Aside from that, been very busy. We did a thing, and so we're selling the box trailer. We decided, I realized I wasn't going to use it. It just wasn't going to happen. You know, there was no finances available to renovate it, to clean it up and do what I wanted to do to it. So we took the finances that we had saved aside for another purpose, and we applied it elsewhere. You may or may not know, I may have not mentioned it, but I own property about 2 hours from home, and it's just a little place we can get away to, sort of like I had my farm in upstate New York, but this is just a little small, you know, 2.5 acre spot, and we were going to build a house, but we decided that it was going to be way too expensive. It was just going to cost way too much money. It was going to be like $2,000 just for permits alone. So we decided to take our money and put it elsewhere. And so what we did was this. Bought ourselves an RV travel trailer. Now, yes, I cannot put my motorcycle in it. It's not a toy hauler. No, it is not. It's a 24-foot Pioneer Grey Wolf. It is nice. We like it. So let's give you a little tour of what it looks like inside. So, little bedroom, seating, nice little kitchen, little dinette thing going on there, and of course, bathroom with shower and vanity. So, although I can't put the motorcycle inside here, did a little research, and as it turns out, you know, first of all, my little Ranger, I have a 2019 Ford Ranger pickup, and it tows this just fine. It does. It's well within the capacity of the tow capabilities of the truck. And I did a little research, and as it turns out, I could put my Sportster in the back of my truck, and I could go to a rally with this. It puts things at the maximum, or not the maximum, but puts it close to my maximum limits on everything. It gets close to the max limits, but there's fluff there, which is good. So that means what I could do, now obviously not this year, but what I could do is I could put the Sportster in the back of the Ranger, hook up the trailer, get my supplies and provisions, and go to Sturgis next year. Go to Americade. Go to whatever. What would make life easier is if I had a bigger truck, like an F-150 or something like that. Then I could put the Heritage in the back of the truck and go to the rally. Or a rally, any rally. That's the process. So that's the thoughts anyway. The thing is that this trailer can be used for more than just going to our property. It's going to get multiple uses. And when family comes to visit, if there's no room in the house, they could always stay in here. But yeah, it's got everything we need. It has everything that would support time at a rally. Let me look at my notes here. Yeah, so that's that with that. Other stuff is that the Motorcycle Podcasters Challenge is in full swing, and it is going really well. People are getting out there, they're riding, they're taking photographs of the attractions and sending them in, and the competition is pretty stiff here. We got 5 teams, and it's really close. We've got 18 riders, solo riders, and while not everyone has gotten out, it's only the first week. It's only been, you know, we're in the second week now, and people are getting out, which is good. But it's going really well, and people are really having a good time. So it's really great. So next year, think about getting involved in the Motorcycle Podcasters Challenge. So if you want to follow along what's going on, go to motopodchallenge.com and check out the website, and you can see the rules, and you could see what the standings are right now, the teams and people who are riding in the event, and you can get to do some pictures on there of some past events that we did. That's it. I also have a short video coming up, the one that I did last week. I took the Sportster out. I did do, like I said, I did shoot a video, and I did do stuff, so I'm going to release that this week. I couldn't just release it and be happy with it, so I had to do some editing, and it's, I don't know. But I've decided I'm not, just like I have said previously, I'm just not going to release a video if I've got nothing to say. There's no sense in me going and just creating a video just to create a video. But I did want to make this video so you had an idea of what's been going on, what I've been up to, and what's coming. So I do have that video coming up. The MPC is Motorcycle Podcasters Challenge is in full swing, like I said, and that will be going on until the end of August. The trailer is going to get some activity this summer, and most certainly in September, and possibly sometime during the fall, but it's going to be moving around a little bit. And I will get to riding again soon. The temperatures have been here in North Carolina, the temperatures have been in the 90s every day for the past couple weeks. And we've had, and the humidity's just been absolutely through the roof. I am dying right now. It is so freaking hot right now. There's like no circulation, there's no ventilation, there's no breeze. And if there is a breeze, all it's doing is moving around hot, muggy air. Yeah, so I've been staying in the air conditioning. But I'm hoping that over the next week or so that the temperatures come down a little bit, the humidity goes away, and I can get back out on a bike, because I really need to ride. I really need to get out there. So that's it for now. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. I will see you again in the next one. And oh, so if you know anyone who's interested in a trailer, I'm selling this. The Shadow Master box trailer. Has air conditioning and heat inside. got a side door. It's 101 inches long from the front to the back and 57 inches wide. And the door is just under 5 feet high. Duck. And inside it's 67 tall. There's 13 tie down points. That's air conditioner and heater. So if you're interested, let me know. And yeah, so if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below and comment. You know, I always respond. And yeah, that's it. So peace out, rock and roll, and we will see you in the next video. It's hot, going inside.